Maybe about 2 years ago, I created my channel and uploaded my first video. At that time, I did not have much experience with FPS games except for IGI 1. As you know, it's one of the first computer games to feature realistic weaponry and tactical combat situations. It was the third mission that presented the most challenge. It was really hard, but somehow I managed to complete it. After that, I developed a deep interest in FPS games and I played IGA 1 in 2019 or 2018, I think. But due to financial issues, I could not continue playing, but it's a long story. I'll share it with you some other day if you want, because it's as tough to tell as it was to go through. This life led me to YouTube and I create a channel. Now I am finally able to support my family. Anyways, that's a quick intro. Now let's get back to the topic. Valorant was launched on June 2, 2020, and after stabilizing my channel, I started playing it in 2022. In the beginning of 2022, I started playing it. During this time, I practiced a lot because I had almost no experience with FPS games. I noticed my mistakes and did my best to fix them. There are still some issues that you might have noticed, like network problem. When I started, I had an i5 third generation PC with a 1 GB GPU, which struggled even on the fracture B side. I know a lot of people are still facing these issues. If you are one of them, please comment below so I know if I'm right or wrong. Many of you might be struggling with these issues, but trust me, pushing for rank is not as hard as we make it out to be with our excuses. The main purpose of recording this video is to ask if I can start coaching tutorials and live sessions. I mean, if I start, will you guys support me? If you support me, I'll support you too through live sessions where you can play and I'll spectate. I'll find your mistakes and share them with others so they can improve their games as well. I used AimLab during this time because many YouTubers recommended it, so I thought there must be something in AimLab. I tried every possible thing before reaching gold rank, but I guess not everything in AimLab is as crucial as having a good sense in this game. And having a sharp mind is what can push you to high rank. I'm not denying that these things won't improve your reaction time, but having a sharp mind is a true skill. Would not you agree? Of course you will agree, but you might not believe it. So are you guys interested so I can go further with this niche, or would you prefer I do what you like the most? As you know, I'm a tech YouTuber as well, and many pupils come to me on Discord. I guide them and they are happy with me and many guidance. I just wanted to say that it's your support that you got me this far, and I hope to go even further. I wish you guys keep supporting me. Thank you so much, and I love you all a lot. If you need any further assistance, feel free to let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.